to play our game. I played the stupid ball thing and Duck Life. So now I'm gonna play Nom Noms. Let's see what it is. Play now. Alright, cupcakes, we're on level 1. No. I don't get it. No. Well, sorry guys. Looks like we're not gonna be playing this today. Looks like we're gonna be playing a different game because I hate these kind of games. Honestly, I hate them. I really do. I hate these kind of games. So I'm gonna go to the next game.